Hi guys, it's Kevin again and welcome back to another Kevs gear review videos over here on Woodland Camp and Craft. So, as you might have just seen there from the label, I'm going to do a quick review on the DD Frontline Hammock XL. Now, I've had this for about a year. As most of you know by now, when I do these reviews, they've been extensively tested out in the field for at least 12 months. I think this has just crept above 12 months now, so I thought it was time to do a review. I brought it out especially for this weekend's camping. I wouldn't normally use a fully enclosed hammock like this in winter. I just go down to a normal 2-skin layer, but for the sake of being able to get a review out for you guys who are interested in this Frontline XL, I thought I'd bring it along. So I'm just going to quickly set it up and we'll go through the good points and the bad points and everything else. So, good music. So there we are then, all done. Probably just a few seconds for you, 5 to 6 minutes for me. Now, it is massive, right? I think it's 1.8 wide and it's 3 meters long. So I was getting a bit restricted shoulders in my normal hammock, so I went for the 3 meter hammock. The only one I could find. I actually wanted the 10th Wonder single skin, twin layer XL. Or double XL, but 10th Wonder's website, you're struggling to get what you want on there at the minute. So I went with this. It's bigger and bulkier than, for a hiking camp, I'd say. It takes up far too much pack space. But it is a good hammock, and I have had some really good night's sleep in there. Now, one of the things I was going to point out straight away, and I'm sure you can see, is that it's really topsy-turvy. I don't think the balancing or something in the hammock is not quite right. Whether this is a one-off to me or this is something that everyone with these hammocks is struggling with, I don't know. I'm on tree huggers, I'm on the whoopee suspension system, ultralight carabiners, it's all DD stuff, and it's always, I can't get it balanced. I can never get it balanced. An unbalanced hammock, they're not particularly great. Now, some of the spec. Well, that sort of helped to sort it a little bit. I'm just going to read off the bag here because I didn't bring the pack out with me. So it's 1250 grams standard weight, including all excluding webbing all the poles. So it's probably 1350. You do get 10 meters of webbing, but I've just said I've replaced and upgraded that to the whoopee suspension. 3.1 by 1.8, like I said. It's olive green and 180T breathable polyester with the moz in it. So all round, like I say, it is a good quality hammock. But one of the biggest negatives I've found with it is using DD's under blanket is getting the pair to marry up. And I know a few people have had other problems, the same problem. Trying to get this, trying to get the under blanket comfortable. So I've always said it, the under blanket is a bit undersized. I think they should do an XL one. Maybe make it 6 or 8 inches longer. I've said that in the gear review I did of the product. I've also upgraded with the snake skin, and there's the ultralight carabiners, look. But yeah, it's big, it's roomy, little pocket, comes with a ridge line in there. Everything's there you needed straight out of the pack to take it out. But I do think, and this is not fair. This is not really fair on DD, what I'm going to say, but I think it's over big. I think what I'd liked really is the 3 meters length, but only the 1.5 wide. I think that would be a much better hammock in my opinion, and for what I use within or get out of having a hammock, definitely would be better for me. Yeah, like I say, with it, because it's so wide, you struggle to get under blankets and that to fit them well. And you know, I don't know, maybe me just being picky, but that's, you know, like I say, these gear reviews are my honest reviews, and I think it's a bit over wide, even though I knew the specs when I purchased it. I think the price I paid for this is about, it's either $74.99 or $79.99. I think I ended up paying about $110 in the end, with the whoopee suspension, what I always put on any hammock, and the snakeskin. Do I feel like I've been ripped off? No, not at all. So the small niggly problems that I've pointed out are still not enough for me to think like I've not had a good value for money, or the hammocks doesn't live up to you know, what it should do. So I'm just going to stick it back on the tripod here, bear with me 1 minute. So, rating I'm going to give it, and it's relatively low. I don't like to give bad reviews or bad ratings unless there's a real bad problem with it, but I'm going to give it a 7.5 out of 10. Nothing wrong with the hammock. It is bulky, it is heavy. You can go get the jungle version of these, which makes it a lot lighter, but it doesn't carry, it's only got 100 kilogram weight limit, so I'm out. Me by myself was more than 100 kilogram. Put an Arctic bag in there under blankets and all the rest of it, you know, it won't take me. So I have to stick with this one. So 7.5, because of the fact the under blankets just don't marry up to them very well. That might be a case for DD, like I say, to bring out a better under blanket. 7.5, but it's still a thumbs up, and I still think it's a quality hammock, and like I say, I definitely started noticing a better sleep in it. But a few little more improvements, there'll be a bit of much nuts. So with that, that's the end of the video guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.